Welcome back, guys. So right now, Gemini just introduced music generation. So I want to try it out. Let's see how good it is. So we have a lot of music generation software. We have Suno. Yes, we have Suno. We have a whole lot right there. We have Audio. If you don't know all this, you could check them out. So we have Audio. We have Suno. We have all these different platforms that generate music for us using AI. But right now, Gemini just introduced that to Gemini. So you can directly see it on Gemini right here. So you could create music directly. So this is the feature right here. So let's try it out and see how it goes. So I want to create music right now. So all you have to do is to describe your, oh wow. So you can even pick a track to remix, of course. So you could pick something to remix actually. So what you want to do now, let's choose Afro pop, of course. So I want to do Afro pop right now. So customize this track. So you could play the track to just listen to what it sounds like. We just want to dance, oh. Okay, perfect. Yes, so we have a song right there, Afro Prop. So right now I want to customize this track. So I would say remix this for me a product, for a product marketing ads. So it should be about billardcreative.com being a software third party reseller. The selling point is getting premium software and AI apps at discounted rate. Let's remix that. So let's remix this initial song. So I'm going to have this sent. So this is the first time I'm trying this because it's a new feature, of course. So let's try this out. So let me have this sent right now so we could see what is going to be like. So we're going to remix this particular song. So let's listen to the new one from Gemini and let's see how perfect that will be. So now we have the new song right here, right now. It's just about 30 seconds, but let's listen to it by the way.
For your software needs, oh, my people listen now. All the premium apps you want, no need to break the bank, oh. Belladcreative.com, get the hookup for you. AI tools and software too, at a discounted rate, it's true. So make your work sweet, oh. Belladcreative.com, Belladcreative.com.